Great visuals catch the eye, but world-class audio holds the attention. Here are some high-quality ambience, which is already used by professionals. Elevate your next film, web series, YouTube video, or audio summary with the ultimate royalty-free background ambience library. From deep narrative drones to subtle ambient textures, every track is mix-ready, seamlessly loopable, and crafted to fit behind speech without cluttering your dialogue, fully cleared for commercial projects across all platforms. Stop wasting hours searching for the right sound.